Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carolyn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Carolyn.
Say happy birthday, Carolyn.
Happy birthday, Carolyn.
Say,
And a mommy, please.
say I love you.
I can't know.
Yeah, don't be silly. Say I love you, Carolyn.
I love you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say I can't wait to see your earrings.
I can't wait to see your earrings.
Give her a big kiss. Give her a big kiss, Caleb. No, you gotta kiss this part. Mwah. Okay, say